In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent documents and folders lists in Microsoft Word. If you're looking to improve your privacy or simply want to declutter your Word interface, this guide is here to help. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Word. If you haven't pinned it to your taskbar or desktop, simply click on the Windows button on your keyboard or the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu where you can easily search for Word. Just type Word in the search bar and you'll see the Word app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to launch the application. Once Word opens, the next step is to either open an existing document or create a new one. You can accomplish this by using the options available on the startup screen. It doesn't matter which you choose, as we're just getting to the settings. Once your document is up, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the Options button there. Click on it to open a new dialog box titled Word Options. In the Word Options dialog box, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. Here, you want to select the Advanced tab. This area is packed with various settings that control the behavior and look of your Word application. Now, scroll down through the options until you reach the Display section. This is where you can fine-tune aspects related to recent documents and folders. You'll notice a setting labeled Show this number of recent documents. By default, this number is typically set to something like 25, which means Word will display your 25 most recent documents for quick access. If you want to hide this list and avoid listing any recent documents, all you need to do is change that number to 0. Simply click in the box next to the number, type 0, and you're halfway there. Similarly, locate the following option, Show this number of unpinned recent folders, and set this number to 0 as well. By setting both recent documents and folders to 0, you ensure that no traces of your recent activity will show up in Word, whether you're dealing with documents or folders. Once you've set those numbers to 0, remember to save your changes by clicking OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This applies all your changes and closes the options window. For these changes to take full effect, it's always a good idea to restart the Word application. Simply close Word entirely and reopen it. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, your recent documents and folders lists are now hidden, giving you a cleaner and more private Word experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.